Hello. Today we are going to learn how to create your own unique header for your WordPress site. WoodMart offers an extremely flexible header builder that allows you to bring any of your ideas to life. So, let's not waste time and get started. In the left side menu, find WoodMart. Hover over it and select Header Builder. You will be taken to the Header Builder page. Here you can see a list of existing headers. To create a new header, click the Add New Header button. You can change the name of your header. For example, let's name it Main Header. To set a default header for your site, click on the button with an asterisk. Great. Now we'll use the Visual Designer to style our header. Click the Frontend Editor button. You'll see that the header is divided into sections. We will work with the Main Header section. Now we need to fill the main header with elements. Click on the plus sign in this section to add new items. Let's start with the logo. You can upload an image of your logo and adjust its size. In the header builder, each element you add can be easily dragged and dropped. Next, let's add a search bar so your visitors can quickly find the products or information they need. Now, let's add a link to the user's personal account. The Wishlist element allows users to save products they like for a later purchase. And finally, add a shopping cart so users can view the items they've added to their cart. Next, we'll add a border bottom. Hover over the main header section and click on the Edit icon. In the settings, go to the Style tab and set the parameters for border bottom. You can choose the thickness, style, and color of the border to your liking. The next step is to customize the top bar section. Let's add elements to the top bar. Click the plus icon in the top bar section. In the menu that appears, find and add the following elements. Let's start by adding the text/HTML element. This element allows you to insert any text, HTML code, or even shortcodes. It can be useful for displaying important messages. Next, let's add social media icons so that your visitors can easily find your social media profiles. Now, let's add a divider. This element helps visually separate parts of the top bar to make it look more structured. The next element is Menu. In the element's settings, choose one of the already created menus. This is convenient for placing additional navigation items. The WoodMart theme's visual header builder also allows you to duplicate elements. Move your cursor over the top bar section and click on the Edit icon. In the settings, go to the Style tab and select White under the Text Color Scheme section. The next step is to set the background color for the top bar. As you can see, the text color of the text/HTML element has not changed to white. Hover over it and click Edit. In the element settings, you can change the weight and color of the text. Choose the desired color using the palette or enter its HEX code. Now let's move on to the social icons. In the Style tab, you'll find options for changing the color of the icons. Next, click the plus sign in the bottom header section and add the following elements. Let's start by adding a list of product categories. This element is especially useful for online stores, as it helps users quickly find the product sections they need. The next important element is the main menu of your website. This is the main navigation block that usually contains links to the key pages of your site. Now, let's add another element called Menu. This element is more versatile and allows you to display any menu you have created. WoodMart allows you to create a separate version of the header for mobile devices. Go to the Mobile tab, where you can place elements better suited for small screens. In any section, click the plus sign and find the logo element. You can upload an image of your logo and set its size. Click Add Element and find the Mobile Menu element. You can customize its appearance, icons, and the position of the menu sidebar. Add the cart element from the same panel and place it in a convenient location. For example, to the right of the logo. You can customize the display of the number of products, the total amount, and the style of the cart icon. To stay in touch with your customers, add social icons. In the element settings, you can customize the style and size of the icons. The Hide Row option allows you to hide a specific row of the header on certain types of devices. The Visual Header Builder in the WoodMart theme allows you to customize the height of the header. Select the section whose height you want to change by hovering over it. In the settings, find the Row Height option. You can enter the desired height in pixels or use the slider to adjust the value. You can also set different height values for different devices. This ensures that your header looks good on all screen sizes. To make the header sticky, we need to edit the main row, usually the one that contains the logo in the main menu. Hover over this row and click the Edit icon. In the row settings, select the Sticky option. The Sticky option can be applied to any header row. That's it. Your header is now sticky. In the main header settings, the Sticky Header tab includes several useful options for sticky headers that can make them more dynamic. The Sticky Header Clone option creates a separate copy of your main header, which becomes sticky during scrolling. This is useful if you want the sticky header to look different. For example, more compact or with different elements. And that's it. Don't forget to click the Save Header button to save all your changes. In the description, you'll find a link to the official WoodMart documentation with even more useful information. Thank you for watching.